Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopper block, I'm going to be teaching you guys, that's right, how to make a honey lemon pepper barbecue pork chop in the oven. Alright, so here's my pork chops right here. These are actually butterfly pork chop I cut up earlier and just let them sit in room temperature for about a good hour. So anyway, alright, so here's the barbecue sauce I'm going to use. I'm going to go with one right here. And this one right here is sweet and smoky. Right here. So I'm going to use the sweet and smoky one. Alright, I got this from my sister for Christmas. And I wanted to go ahead and use this. Alright. So here's the lemon pepper I'm going to use. By Tones. Here's the honey. Raw organic honey. And here's some Italian seasoning. We got to keep that meat hydrated. And I have some onions. Alright. See how thin those are? Alright. So first thing we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and remove this for now. I got another piece of foil over here. I'm going to put this onion over here. Just spread them out. This is to help keep the meat hydrated as well. Alright, make sure your oven is preheated at 375, guys. Alright, I think we're about good on that. So here's what we're going to do. See how I cut them? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to flip them on this side. Because if you cook them on this side, it's going to puff up like that. So we're just going to put these back on here. So we're going to take some of this Italian dressing. Just drizzle a little bit on there. Don't worry about the back side because it's going to fall on that back side anyway, okay? It will get down there. So I want to say like maybe roughly like a teaspoon or a tablespoon on each one. And we're going to come in here with our lemon pepper. Alright. I want to say roughly a half a teaspoon per side, per chop. Okay. Alright, that's that side. I'm just going to move this around here like so. You could have did this beforehand, before you put the seasoning on there. But it's no biggie. This is going to give it some moisture and all that good stuff too. Because pork chop have a tendency of drying out. Alright. So, we're going to take our chops. We're going to flip these over. Just like so. Put that on there. Wash my hands again. We're going to come back on here with some of this. Just like that. When we season this stuff up, we're going to cook this for about a good 45 minutes in the oven. Almost done here, guys. I'm just looking for little pieces that's maybe missing some. Alright, that should be enough right there. Okay guys, that's how that looks up close. Alright. And we're going to wrap this bad boy up with the shiny side up. And on this side, the shiny side is down, okay? Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. 45 minutes. And we'll take it out, let it brown on top on both sides, and then we'll barbecue it up. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. It's been 45 minutes. Let me just show you that how that looks up close. You can see it's got a lot of juice in there. Okay. Alright. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put these on broil, and we're going to let it brown up a little bit on top of here, and then we're going to flip them over. Well, when it's brown up on top of here, we're going to put our little barbecue sauce and our honey on it. I got like 3 tablespoons of honey right here. And then I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. They browned up on that side. We're just going to put some barbecue sauce on here. Now meat, what I like to do, I like to barbecue mine, coat mine twice. I'll put this in there probably about 2 or 3 minutes till it starts sticking on there real good. Then I'll do it again. Then I'm gonna flip it. Yep, honey, lemon pepper, barbecue, pork chops in the oven. Alright, so we'll go ahead and let this go ahead and do what it's going to do. Then I'll take it out and repeat the process. Alright? When I get back, all this should be done. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this honey lemon pepper barbecue pork chop in the oven. And this is how that looks. Show you that up close. I did have to hit it like 3 times on each side. So, hey, that's what it is. I like mine a little bit thicker on mine. I do have a little piece right here for you guys to taste. Right here. Let me see if I can come over here so you can see me cut it. And y'all be like, oh no, it didn't cut. Yeah, here you go. Alright. There you go, right there, guys. Honey lemon pepper pork chops. Barbecue pork chops. Alright, guys. Okay, super good. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and make me some barbecue sandwiches. And guys, please like this video, give me a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell, just like that. Hit that bell so YouTube can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.